Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink on Monday.
Oh, hi.
And today we have zero sugar, sparkling ice plus caffeine, blue raspberry. Ice. This sounds actually pretty fascinating. So blue raspberry, that sounds good. Sparkling ice with caffeine.
5
Also interesting.
calories.
And only 5 little calories. We got 0% juice in here, so that's the important factoids. We got ourselves 3 micrograms of vitamin D. We got ourselves about 15% of B6, 15% of B12, 15% of niacin, which is B2 or B3, is what that usually ends up being. And then we have biotin. We got 15% of that and 15% of lovely acid. And 135 micrograms of RAE vitamin A, antioxidants,
Welcome
nice,
to the RAE.
and 70 milligrams of caffeine. So about the same amount of caffeine you'd find in a normal Mountain Dew can or bottle.
Yeah, so it's kind of a light pick me up, not a
Not a boom energy.
nice ice.
Yep. Smells.
So far. Anything blue raspberry smells.
Ooh,
usually
I like the
pretty
smell. Ooh, bubbles.
Bubbly.
Enough bubbles.
Let's see, I think that's the same company that makes carbonated flavored waters, right? That's kind of neat.
That tastes really good. The only thing that I noticed is it leaves a little bit of a weird feel around your gum line. That's the only thing I noticed. Like all the bubbles collect around your gum line.
Oh yeah,
It's kind of odd, isn't it?
it's got a weird kind of a
Yeah,
body to it.
yeah. But that is
Interesting.
a great pungent. I mean, it is
do
pow
like that.
flavor on the blue
I
raspberry.
think
It is
if you
very
mixed
good.
it with like a raspberry sherbet.
Oh yeah, but it's very in your face blue raspberry and lots of bubbles, which luckily I was very much looking forward to today. I really needed some bubbles.
That's good.
Yeah, I know, right? Very
It's a
much
fun
alike.
taste to it.
Yes.
Was it natural caffeine? Look at what they had. It's good.
Oh, they put the good night. They put the thing on the other side. Let's see. Carbonated water contains 2% or less of natural flavors. Fruit juice for color.
Interesting.
I'm not seeing anything of where the caffeine's coming from.
Tastes good though.
Might be from the B vitamins. Yeah, that's the only thing I can see. But that, I mean, that is a really good flavor.
Yeah. I'm going to definitely grab that again.
And it's really an interesting bubbles. I'm not sure how that's working, but it's like, it's just enough to cleanse your tongue, which is nice, and to scratch the back of your throat when you're mowing around a bunch of dust. So that's
It's a nice little
very helpful, but
swishy.
yes, exactly. But that's a good flavor. I really do like it. Nice, clean, and it's definitely refreshing. That's for sure.
If you're
It doesn't add
sensitive
that.
to caffeine,
That might be
a fun way
better way to go. With only 5 calories and doesn't have any carbohydrate, doesn't have sodium, doesn't have fat, and doesn't have any protein either. But still, not bad.
Yeah, nice
low calorie drink. So I like that. For what it is, I'm going to say it's definitely up there quality wise. So I'd say SRT 392 for its realm. Low caffeine drink, I guess.
4 or 5 flavors too.
Yeah, but I mean, that is just, I like that very much. That's really, really good. So definitely refreshing for today as well. So anyways, guys, I would encourage you to check out the Sparkling Ice plus Caffeine, because that's pretty good. I like it. So make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys here next time. Bye-bye.